Hey guys, Thomas Baca BarBer back with another video, and this is going to be the unboxing of the Dyson Supersonic Professional Hair Dryer. And so I have a few of these guys. I have a few of the blow dryers. Watch me pop this on, open this up for you guys, and all right, sick. Watch. So that's the box it comes in. This is it. Watch, look. So that's the box that it comes in right there. And it's kind of heavy. Let me show you, I'll show you the difference even between the regular blow dryer and this one. If you're a stylist or a barber or anybody who dries the hair, or for that matter, you know, styles the hair even, which is better, this is the best blow dryer. And some people might say, oh, well, what's the difference between the professional and the regular one? The professional one comes with a longer cord, and it comes with a stronger cord. And so look, this just unboxes just like that. Look, this comes out here. Let's see, guys. So look, this is what I was telling you about. The regular Dyson blow dryer, the cord isn't long on it. So I gave that one to my mom. I have two other professional ones. I just didn't know what the difference between the non-professional one was. So I bought the non-professional ones, and it's good if you're just, you know, someone at home doing your hair. This one comes with this super long cord. So just to say, the other Dyson, the non-professional one, the cords, it doesn't have this box on it. It doesn't have that big backing. It's just a regular plug, and it's only about, you know, about that long. So I'm saying you're getting a whole extra bit of, you know, you're getting a whole, you know, 24 inches of cord, you know, with this one. So this is this one. This right here is a brand new filter that it comes with. Let me show you something about this. So you can take this off. That's how it connects on with the magnet. You just kind of pull it off. You're able to separate it right here and pull it through the cord when you're going to clean it. It comes with a tool in here that's round that goes around it and it cleans it. But this is the blow dryer. And I mean, they're absolutely amazing. Let's see. Geez, you know what? This came with an extra one of these, and you guys are going to trip out, but I have an extra one of these. And then also, it's somewhere around here. I also, oh, I have the box over there. I ordered another one of those. These filters right here, these filters are super important. And so you want to make sure that you keep those clean. And so, you know, let's see, watch. Look, this is all it, just to show you heads up what it comes with. I could take it out of this box. I have all this stuff. I guess now it comes with this, whatever that is, shoots air through there, probably for women. This right here, it comes with that little piece. I had got that last time. I hadn't got this piece, but I guess it comes with that too now, so you could pull the hair out, and so that's kind of cool. Let's see. You want to register your Dyson to your account. And then what's weird is let's see. That's odd, thank God. So it's coming with this tiny one that gets it silky smooth. Then it comes with the diffuser. But I'm going to tell you something. They're missing a piece, because I'm going to show you that piece real quick. And then this is the blow dryer. I'm going to show you how it works right over here. I have other ones. And so look right here real quick. This is my barber station. And watch, look, I'll show you something. And so, oh, I have a Dyson. I took that one down because I'm going to use the new one. Watch, look, here's another barber station. And so watch, and so look at this, watch. So this is how the blow dryer works. Turn it on. Look, you can see, you just turn it on right here. And then if you want it to go cold, it has a button where you can just go to cold. Your heat setting just goes up and it goes down. This goes like that, so you know it gets blows out harder, sounds like a Lamborghini. These things always need to be cleaned. This is an extra one that I have here. Then I have another one over in this station right over here. This is how much I believe in these. But there's another Dyson right there. So Dyson number 1, Dyson number 2, and then I'll be setting my Dyson up here. Let me show you that one last plug that they have that, watch, let me show you something. So look, it comes with that silky smooth one, like I said, I already had, but then it also has this one. And that one didn't come with it, but I have a couple of these. So that's kind of cool that, you know, for maybe bigger hair or whatever. But hey guys, that's the Dyson review. Thomas Baca BarBer. Make sure to follow me if you like the video, like and subscribe. The best blow dryer in the world is the Dyson. It doesn't get better than this. This is the best blow dryer in the world. The only reason you don't have it is because you can't afford it or don't want to afford it. This is the best, hands down. And you guys, appreciate you and thank you. And I'm signing off.